What if your nail bed is too flat to stick gel tips firmly? If your nail bed is flat, there will be an interspace between your nails and gel tips. We're here to help you solve this problem. If we use ordinary glue, the flowing liquid will not fill the gap. And you have to press the nail tips with your hand before curing, or it will lift. This time, we are going to try this solid nail tips glue. Its ingredient is natural resin, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your nails. Its features are like rubber, so it won't spill out no matter how you shake it. First, file your nails till to a matte state and remove dust. Then apply base coat and cure for 60 seconds. When you selecting gel tips, the first priority is the size issue. If the size doesn't match your nails, it will easily peel off. We recommend that you can file the gel tips with nail file pen to make it stick firmly. Then we need to apply base coat and cure for 60 seconds. For a better effect, take some glue with gel tips instead of your hands. Now you can press it on your natural nails. As you can see, no air bubbles. Even if you don't keep pressing gel tips, it won't spring back. From the side, the arc of your nails also come out, and there is no interspace. The nail stick is so firmly that you can't remove it by hand. If you're a beginner, you have to try this solid nail tips glue.